Jenny Verner came from the aristocracy in Ireland at that time. When she was born in Éirí, she was also educated in Éirí in quite a small, close-knit social group of elite landed Protestants at that time.
For Jenny, chuideachas in son Miss Bryden School for Young Ladies, Cearnog Marcus, Newry. Bhí scoilinn in leabhsblach mar sin cuitíonnta go leor sos go dtí mar hampla an fiú haois. Ba chulra Jenny nó aglas na hÉireann agus bhí baint freisin ag muintir Verner leis an ard aráisteach.
Her family were at the spearhead of Orangism in Ireland, and they were also heavily involved in the Orange Order in its establishment in 1795. Jenny survived many different adventures and journeys, often very perilous, often taking care of her kids on her own.